How to turn off incognito mode in Google Chrome on Android. If you're finished browsing privately and want to return to normal browsing, it's quick and easy. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. If you're currently in incognito mode, you'll see the incognito icon at the top of the screen. Tap the tab switcher button to view all your open tabs. Next, switch to the incognito tab section. Here, you'll see all of your private browsing tabs. To turn off incognito mode, simply tap Close All Incognito Tabs. You can also close each incognito tab individually by tapping the X on each tab. Once all incognito tabs are closed, Chrome will automatically return to the normal browsing mode. You can then continue browsing with your regular tabs as usual. Keep in mind that incognito mode isn't a setting that stays on or off permanently. It only works while incognito tabs are open, so closing them is all you need to do to exit private browsing. And that's it. That's how you can turn off incognito mode in Google Chrome on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Google Chrome tips and Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.